We just spotted a leopard. You guys see over there. That leopard is continuously watching us, so let's go a little bit close to see more properly. Guys, it's so close and so nearby. I can't believe he's so comfortable and he's feeling so friendly with us. I've never seen a leopard in my life fully in this jungle, not in a cage. That is a totally different experience. Today I'm here at the stunning Pench Tiger Reserve, one of India's most beautiful jungles spread across Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. This is where Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book was inspired. Yes, the land of Mowgli, Bagheera and Sher Khan. We are just about to start our morning safari and I can already feel the excitement. The birds are chirping, the air is so cool, and who knows, maybe today we can find or meet the king of the jungle himself, the tiger. So let's go.
We don't have to grow up, we can stay forever young.
Before I take you to the safari, let me tell you quickly few very important things which you should know before you visit to Pench Tiger Reserve. Named after pristine Pench River, this Pench Tiger Reserve is a pride for Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. You can access this tiger reserve from both the states as there are different gates to enter into this. You can book your safari for 4 zones of forest, which is most protected and dense. Also, there are buffer zones as well, which are transition area and less dense. I visited Khawasa buffer zone, and you will see ahead why you should never skip buffer zone safari. This is around 100 kilometers from Nagpur airport. For stay, there are several resorts in nearby area. However, I have stayed in Pench Jungle Camp.
This is why we are going, and you know that all you have to do is say.
After a long drive, I finally reached to Pench Jungle Camp Resort. And today I am going to relax. Tomorrow I will take you early in the morning for a safari that is in the Pench Tiger Reserve inside the Seoni jungle, and it is really going to be very exciting. I am totally thrilled about it, and fingers crossed if we can see or spot any tigers. But for now, this property looks very serene and tranquil. So let me give you a quick tour. This property is huge and gives you a feeling that you are staying in forest. Now let me give you my cottage room tour.
The color is singing, so say, all you have to do is say.
Rooms are big enough, eco-friendly and well maintained.
I got some questions
Pressure.
weighing heavy on my mind. I need some answers. We don't know, won't keep us by. What's the point of living if we only live to die? I need some answers.
So this is the restaurant area. Actually, I am very hungry after such a long journey. So let's crash in.
I need some
You see this board? If any guest sights any tiger or leopard, they mention their experience here. Hello, good afternoon.
I need some answers. What we don't know won't keep us by. I got some questions weighing heavy on my mind. I need some answers. What we don't know won't keep us by. What's the point of living if we only
So if you notice, this This is actually a tiger-shaped chip, so let's try it. The food looks yummy. Overall, spent good time at resort. My jeep has arrived. It is so early in the morning, 5:30, and I'm so excited. So let's go and start our jungle safari.
Tick 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 tock 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 tock.
Hello, good morning.
Tick 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 tock 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 tock.
So this is
When I
our jeep.
hear 1 o'clock, I start to walk. When I hear 2 o'clock, I start to talk. When I hear 3 o'clock, I start to clap. When I hear 4 o'clock, I start to nap. When I hear
I reached to Khawasa Gate, from where I had to start my safari for buffer zone. Now, be ready to experience the thrill.
Currently, I am in the Khawasa buffer zone, and the guide actually told me that around this area there's a tigress, Jugni, along with her 4 cubs. So, fingers crossed if we could spot them.
As soon as we entered into the forest, we first reached to a place where the animals come to drink water. But we couldn't spot anyone there. Then we started going deep to explore more. After 30 minutes of exploration, enjoying forest breeze, watching deers and langurs, then suddenly
We just spotted wild dogs. See, they're coming.
this group of wild dogs were so comfortable in front of us. They did not try to run away. Looks like it was their morning playtime. After watching their activities and following them for around 5 minutes, we just moved ahead.
Currently, I just spotted the wild dogs, and right now we are waiting at the T junction because we just heard the warning call from the langur. So, fingers crossed. Let's see if the call is false or true. Anyways, with me, I have our guide Kaushal Bhaiya. So, can you please explain something about this national park?
हम लोग जहाँ घूम रहे हैं ये खवासा गेट है। तो अभी क्या है, यहाँ पर जो टाइग्रेस है जुगनी, तो इस एरिया में जुगनी का एरिया है। तो जुगनी का एरिया है, अब रिसेंटली में छोटे कब्स है। तो लंगूर जो होता है ना, छोटे कब्स को जब देखता है तो लेपर्ड जैसा कॉल करता है ना, लेपर्ड को देखते हैं सेम वैसे ही करता है। तो ये कन्फ्यूज़न हो जाता है कि हम लोग को क्या लेपर्ड ही है करके। हो सकता है बच्चे भी हो, लेपर्ड भी हो सकते हैं। तो हम लोग को थोड़ा वेट करना चाहिए। अगर निकलते हैं तो हो सकता है कि चांस लेपर्ड के बन सकते हैं या फिर टाइगर के भी। तो लंगूर का मोस्टली तो लेपर्ड के लिए लग रहा है। हाँ, तो सुबह जो मिले थे लेपर्ड हमको, हाँ रास्ते में, तो वो सेम इधर आ सकते हैं। तो ये चांस है कि लेपर्ड भी हो सकते हैं करके। तो हम लोग थोड़ा सा वेट करेंगे, यहाँ पर थोड़ा समय देंगे।
We waited for 10 minutes and proceeded. To our surprise, just 300 meters ahead, we spotted leopard.
We just spotted a leopard. You guys see over there.
लग रहा है बहुत बड़ा है। वो तो टाइगर जैसे लग रहा है। उधर पे लेकर थोड़ा आगे अभी गाड़ी नहीं है।
वो देखो उधर देख रहा है, उधर देख रहे हैं अभी। बोलिंग तो नहीं है ना, बस the leopard is coming to our side. Wow, such a great experience.
क्या? हाँ तो हमें इसलिए पीछे लेना पड़ा थोड़ा लंबा। रुक गया इसलिए तो
बैठ गया. Oh, guys, it's so close and so nearby. I can't believe he's so comfortable and he's feeling so friendly with us. I've never seen a leopard in my life fully in this jungle, not in a cage. That is a totally different experience. He's sitting so gracefully and confidently. This is exactly the wildlife lover's dream. So amazing. This safari is actually planned by Big Cats India. What a great planning.
Our guide was so experienced, he knew exactly how to engage the leopard and make it feel comfortable so it wouldn't run away. For 15 magical minutes, we followed her closely, watching every move, every glance. Those moments I will never forget. That's the magic of buffer zone, guys.
I started from Khawasa Gate, and after roaming 3 hours in the jungle, I saw the wild dogs as well as I saw the leopard. Yes, guys, I couldn't believe my eyes at that moment. Now I'm at the Telia Gate and I'm so hungry, so that's why we have our breakfast as well. Can you guys imagine? It's such a unique experience having breakfast in the jungle, right? So this is vada, and over here we have poha, and over here bhujia, and there cake as well as banana. तो कौशल भैया, अभी ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद का क्या प्लान है?
अभी तक तो हम लोग ने जुगनी के ट्राई किया है, तो जुगनी के चक्कर में तो लेपर्ड तो देख लिया हमने, वो भी बहुत अच्छा मिला है. तो अभी हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं यहाँ की जो फेमस है एप मार्क है, उसके 3 बच्चे, उसको ट्राई करेंगे. उसके बाद वो छोटा सा एरिया उसका, उसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे जलफाटा, तो वो प्रेग्नेंट थी, बच्चे दे दिए उनने भी, तो अभी मिले नहीं, तो उसके लिए ट्राई करेंगे. उसके बाद हम फिर से जुगनी के लिए जाएंगे.
अच्छा ठीक है, सो लेट्स हॉप इन.
I previously explored the core zone in Jim Corbett, but I never experienced anything this thrilling. If you would like to watch that vlog, I have added the link in the description.
So as you can see, these are the tiger scratch marks on the tree. Let's go.
We then moved towards F Mark and Jalfata Tigress territories, but luck was not on our side.
How about जुगनी?
जुगनी का जो नाम है, हम लोग जब स्टार्टिंग में लगे थे तो जुगनी का कोई नाम नहीं था. उस टाइम में जो पाड़देव फीमेल है, कॉलर वाली की जो बेटी है पाड़देव, उसी की ये बच्ची है, तो हम पाड़देव की बच्ची के नाम से जानते थे. फिर धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ, टूरिज़्म और ग्रो करने लगा, तो लोग नाइट सफारी में उसको देखने लगे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. तो रात में गाड़ियों के सामने चलना और लोगों के सामने अच्छे पोज देना, तो उस टाइम में क्या हुआ, फिर नाम सोचे लड़कों ने, सभी गाइड और ड्राइवर ने, तो नाम अलग अलग निकले थे. फिर उसके बाद एक ने बोल दिया जुगनी, तो वो सब ने फिर सोचेगा फायरफ्लाइज का भी नाम और रात में दिखती भी है, तो उस हिसाब से हम लोगों ने उसका नाम जुगनी कर दिया फायरफ्लाइज के ऊपर से, तो इसलिए उसको जुगनी बोलते हैं हम लोग.
अच्छा, वेरी यूनिक वे टू फाइंड आउट नेम्स.
So we decided to make one last attempt in Jugni's area, hoping she might step out with her cubs. But it looked like Jugni preferred a quiet day with her babies. And that's okay. The jungle reveals itself only when it wants to. We will be back for her another day.
What a morning it was, from the calm of the nature to spotting so many animals like wild dogs, sambar deers, as well as a leopard. Yes. Whether you spot a tiger or not, every safari teaches you about patience, observation, and respect for nature. If you ever plan a wildlife trip, do not miss to keep Pench on the list, because this is where the Jungle Book comes alive. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jia the Explorer for more such adventures like this. Until next time, stay wild, stay curious, be safe, take care, bye bye. Let's go.
Electric shock, energy like a billion watts. Space be booming, the speakers pop. Galactic, call me Mr. Spot. We bumping in your parking lot.
When you coming up in the spot, don't bring nothing we call pink dot, cause we burning around.